Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super useful. I'm breaking down 6 popular hair serums into clear categories so you can finally figure out which one is right for your hair type, your concern, and your budget. We've got options for frizz control, shine, damage repair, budget picks, and luxury favorites. So stay tuned because there's definitely one here for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that, and let's jump straight in. If frizz is your biggest struggle, especially in humidity, this serum is amazing. Liss Unlimited is honestly one of the best anti-frizz formulas I've used. It claims up to 96 hours of frizz control, and honestly, it comes close. It's super lightweight, non-sticky, and instantly makes the hair look softer and smoother. And I love the scent of it. It smells so good. This one is an OG. If your hair is thick, coarse, puffy, or just refuses to behave, Moroccan oil works wonders. The argan oil in it really nourishes the hair and gives that salon smooth finish. A little goes a long way, so don't over apply. The texture is slightly thicker than most serums, but it never feels heavy or greasy. And it works beautifully before heat styling like blow drying or straightening. This is honestly one of my personal favorites. If your hair just looks a little dull and needs some instant gloss, this one is such a good budget-friendly option. It gives you shine, smoothness, and also has heat protection. It's perfect for everyday use, and the price is chef's kiss. It's as good as the expensive ones. Once you start using this, trust me, you'll love it. If you want your hair to look expensive, like glassy, glossy, soft, Kerastase is luxury in a bottle. I know it's expensive, but it's kind of worth it, and the bottle lasts for a very long time. It's infused with precious oils, it smells amazing, and it makes the hair look super polished. Definitely a splurge, but if you love luxury hair care, this one is beautiful. This is such a dependable budget serum for dry, rough, or damaged hair. It targets all 5 signs of damage: dryness, roughness, split ends, dullness, and it really helps soften the ends. Great everyday serum if your hair is feeling weak or overstyled. I think they've recently changed the formula. Personally, I've been using this for the longest time, and because of this, I never get knots in my hair. The new formula, however, looks creamy initially, but as soon as you rub it in, it transforms to a very watery structure. Extremely lightweight and again smells amazing. Now, if your hair is actually damaged, like chemically treated, colored, bleached or heat styled a lot, then Olaplex No. 7 is on another level. It's lightweight, adds shine, gives heat protection and uses bond building technology to strengthen the hair from within. You only need a tiny drop. Yes, it's pricey, but if your hair truly needs repair, this one is worth it. Plus, it gives beautiful shine. If you're on a budget but still want something effective, my top picks are the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 for softness and damage repair and the TRESemmé Gloss Ultimate for shine, smoothness and heat protection. These two are super affordable and honestly great for everyday use. For luxury and salon quality results at home, go with the Olaplex No. 7 for repair, Kerasta's Elixir Ultim for shine, and Moroccan Oil for smoothing and frizz control. These give the best long-term results if you're into premium hair care. If you're still confused, here's a quick breakdown. For frizz-prone hair, Liss Unlimited or Moroccan Oil. For dull hair that needs shine, TRESemmé or Kerasta's. For damaged or colored hair, Olaplex. For budget-friendly everyday use, TRESemmé or Total Repair. And for luxury results, Kerasta's, Olaplex or the Moroccan Oil. No matter which serum you choose, apply it correctly. Use on mid-lengths and ends only, never the scalp. Start with 1 or 2 pumps, warm it between your palms, then apply evenly. This alone can make your hair look 10 times better. And that's my category-wise breakdown of the best hair serums. Let me know in the comments which one you want to try, or if there's something that you've tried and loved which I should too. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!